Hello guys, so this is J and J Explores and we are here today with differential equations. Yes, so we've been given this question: x dy dx is equal to y squared minus y. So in this question we are going to apply a bit of method of separation of variables and a bit of partial fractions. Yes, so without wasting much time, let's see how we go about this type of question. Yes, so the first thing that we do is that we make y be with y and then x also to be with the x. So with that in mind, we multiply through by the x. So we clear the denominator. So x dy is equal to y squared minus y multiplied by the x. Good. So from here, then we can divide through again by x. So x and then x. Alright, then we cancel out. So now we can rewrite this as dy is equal to y squared. Write this. Okay, so the y squared minus y multiplied by dy. Good. So here we divide through again by y squared minus y, because we want dy to be with y and then dx also to be with the x, method of separation of variables. Then we cancel out. Yes, so we can rewrite this. Let's switch to the next page. Okay, I think we are good to go. So dy over y squared minus y is equal to dx over x. So we've been able to separate the variables. Now let's focus on the left hand side of the equation. We've separated the variables successfully. Yes, so focusing on the right hand side of the equation, then we are going to apply partial fractions, yes, to be able to simplify that. So with this in mind, then we can simply say that 1 over y squared minus y is equal to a over y and then plus b over y minus 1. That is so the next thing that we are going to do is we cross multiply. Yes, we cross multiply because we want to find the values of a and b. Then we just substitute it inside the equation to be able to simplify it further. So 1 over y squared minus y is equal to a multiplied by y minus 1 plus b multiplied by y, which is by. Good. So at this point, we forgot to write the denominator. That is y multiplied by y minus 1. So let's do that. Y into bracket y minus 1. Okay, yes, I think we are good. So let's switch to the next page and then simplify that further. Select the marker. Okay, yes. So 1 over y squared minus y is equal to, so we expand that side of the equation, so it will give us ay minus a. So a so we have a y minus a plus by, and then our denominator, which is y squared minus 1. Good. So we can see from here that the denominators are equal. so we omit that and focus on the numerator. So we have a plus b, we factorize all y minus a. So the ones with the y, we group them together. Yes, so here we can simply see that the a corresponds to 1, but it's going to be minus a. So this implies that a is equal to minus 1. Yes, so we can now find b. The coefficient of the b is y, which is 0, so we equate it to 0. So this implies that b is equal to minus a, which is 1. So that gives us a positive number 1. So we have a to be 1 and then b also to be 1. Sorry, a to be negative 1, b to be positive 1. So we come back to the equation, and then where we saw the dy over y squared minus 1, we replace it by the values of a and then b. So let's do that. So here we just rearrange them. We know that a was negative 1, b was positive 1. So here then we can say that let me select the marker. Okay, yes, so we can say that 1 over y minus 1, that is the value of b, and then the a was minus 1, so minus 1 over y, minus 1 over y is equal to, let's go back and refer, dy is equal to, yes, let's go back and then refer. So that is dx over x. So we rewrite it there, dx over x. So dx, select this, okay, yes. So dx over x. Alright, so here we can apply our integral signs. So we break it down further. Good. So let's apply the integral signs to each element. Yes, so that we don't get confused. So we can rewrite this as an integral of the first element 1 over y minus 1 minus the integral of 1 over y dy. Then let's write the dy there too. Yes, is equal to integral of dx over x. Yes, and I said in our previous class that whenever you have 1 over y minus 1, it's going to give us ln of y minus 1. If you have 1 over x dx and you integrate, you are going to get ln of x. So let's do that. Minus 1 minus ln of y is equal to ln of x. Whenever you integrate, don't forget your constants. Yes, so plus c. Good. So here we can apply indices and logarithms. Yes, so here we can see that since it's negated, if it's addition, we multiply. If it's division, subtraction, we divide. So let's follow that principle and then rewrite this. Let me wipe this. So don't forget your algebra. Yes, because if you do, yes, you are really going to have a hard time trying to simplify this. Yes, so let's apply our algebra here. So this is going to give us, so we saw that len was common at both sides, so we factorize len out. So we have len, let me select white marker. Okay, yes, so we have our len of y minus 1. That is 1 over y. Yes, that is our is equal to len of x plus our c. Yes, this y over y minus 1 over y is what I said we were going to apply algebra to. Yes, so when it's subtracting, then you divide. When it's division, you multiply. So 1 plus and then I said in a previous lecture also that when you have e exponents len of 1, that gives us 1. So with that in mind, let's apply this to the question. So we have len of y minus 1 over y is equal to e to the power len of x multiplied by e to the power c, which is a constant c. Yes, so now we can say that since e to the power len is going to give us 1, then we have y minus 1 over y for the left hand side. So y minus 1 over y is equal to x multiplied by e to the power c. Okay, yes, so I think we can wipe this off and then continue our solution from there. Yes, we are almost there. We are almost there. Yes, okay, so let me select this. Then let's go back to refer to the previous where we ended. Yes, so this is what we have. So with this in mind, yes, let's rewrite this. X multiplied by e to the power c. X multiplied by e to the power c. Okay, so now let's say that let's e to the power c to be equal to k. Yes, to make it look simpler. Now y minus 1 over y is equal to, now k is taking the place of e to the power c, so it becomes kx. I will multiply through by y to clear the denominator. So by y, good, just cancel out. Now we have y minus 1 is equal to kxy. Now we are making y the subject, so let's switch to the next page and then work on that. We are making y the subject. Let's clear this. Okay, let me select the black marker so it becomes visible. All right. So yes, this is what we have: y minus 1 equals to kxy. So let's rewrite this. Um, we are going to make y the subject here. Yes, so take note of that. That's what we're actually looking for. So y minus 1 is equal to kxy. Then we send the kxy to the left hand side and bring the negative 1 to the right hand side. So it becomes minus kxy. The negative 1 becomes positive 1. Yes, so now we have y. So we factorize it out. So we have 1 minus kx is equal to 1. Then we divide through by 1 minus kx. 1 minus kx. Yes, then we cancel out. So finally, we've been able to make y the subject. So this is supposed to be our final answer. Yes. So let me rewrite this at on the next page. Yes. So that is our final answer. Wipe this. Okay, so we can rewrite our final answer here. So we have y to be equal to, we have y to be, no, there's no what we're looking for. Yes, so finally y is equal to 1 over 1 minus kx. So this is our final answer. Yes, if you have any question, you can drop down in the comment section. Yes, don't forget to like this video and then smash that subscribe button. Yes, so that you stay updated whenever we upload a new video. Thank you.